Hi everyone, quick short video for you guys. People were asking how we can search jobs on LinkedIn. So it's very easy and super simple. So go to linkedin.com, go to search and write hashtag find a pro. This is one of the best hashtags going right now. So here you can see there are tons of jobs for web development, web design, content writing. If you play with hashtags more like hashtag freelance or freelance designer or hashtag hiring or hiring remotely, so I'm definitely sure that you can find your jobs here. So that's a quick tutorial for you guys. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.